にできることはまだあるかい何も持たずに
Hometown,
どこか他人が
and he loses the girl. But then again, they meet like years and years later when he's allowed to come back after he finished school.
What happened to the girl who was like the sunshine girl?
I think she stayed as the sunshine. I forget.
I thought that was the whole point of the IKEA.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I will watch anime if only if I watch it with you guys. I feel like I would need some like hype, you know?
True.
Like I need it for you guys to be in the background and be like, oh!
And to be like, do you see what's happening? Do you know what this means?
I don't! You have to explain to me.
A good anime that I haven't watched yet is Monster.
Oh, that's a good one!
Classic! That's a classic!
Oh my god!
If you like detective mystery stuff,
Yeah.
that's the thing to go.
Oh,
It's a goodie.
detective mystery. Like Sherlock Holmes.
Hey guys, we're in my new house today. New room. I just got Invisalign. And I'm gonna go to IKEA and get some goodies. Let's go.
Walking my way downtown. Walking.
Making my way downtown walking fast
네, 그만. 진짜? No one saw that. Oh.
Huge, this guy.
Hello. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, like
Baby Shark song.
I like this.
Master
Yeah.
Chef Anna. How's your cooking stuff so far?
I made a pancake.
Hi Anna, what's up? 안녕.
Looking for coffee table.
Oh, coffee table. Okay.
Here.
Coffee table.
It's a fabric.
Wow, what is that? What is that though? What is it? What the hell? Oh,
It's an egg. Interesting.
an egg. Egg.
Gudetama.
Gudetama.
It's like a bootleg.
Yeah. And here, look at this. This is like a fireplace thing. Oh, look at it. Doesn't it look like a fireplace? Mm-hmm. Look at this fake beach.
I love the beat.
It looks like a mountain from far away.
An artist's organized safe haven. Okay. Inside, and let me see.
No, it's 190. Oh, yes, yeah.
So no more bad
I
design.
was gonna see that.
Oh, that's what it is.
I guess. I don't know. It says push
Oh,
it.
that makes sense. Okay,
It says push.
Ooh, we got food.
Oh, dumpling.
Dumplings.
Oh, xiaolongbao. Oh.
That's so sad.
You tricked us.
Dumplings.
This is only 590.
It's only
Easy money, man. Easy money.
Easy.
Yo, light work.
minimalism. It's like really nice.
You really just
Look at this bulb. What the hell?
now.
Let's see.
Oh, is this like a reading post? Like reading?
Yeah.
Woo!
It's called.
Our lowest price. $19.99. Woo! Lowest price if you want this. I can't. Oh, focus. Keeps me preoccupied. You know, talking to myself is the best. Okay, right here. Box fizzy $2.99 for these box sets. We're going to the bathroom. Okay. Oh, it's a bathroom?
Shortcut.
Oh. You didn't cut that. We didn't see. Shh. Oh, you have a bathroom?
The order of things.
Yeah.
Everything's broken.
Hey, we're rule breakers, okay? We
Ruin the experience. The experience is ruined. Look at the arrows. We're already going back.
Ooh.
Oh.
Spoilers. Oh. Huh.
What is your most vivid memory as a child? Stop.
What is your most vivid
Yeah, I'm
memory?
asking you guys.
Restrooms to the right. What is it? What? My what?
Most vivid memory as a child.
Coming to IKEA.
Really nice, like.
I remember this.
know?
This is where I had mac and cheese. Keep them all.
So you guys have
True.
anime figurines, right?
Yes.
So I need to have K-drama figurines.
Oh yes. Get your BTS figurines. Oh yeah, that's what we do. BTS stands. But I'm not one. But you know BTS stands too. And this is what you're talking about. The cake.
The Kiku.
Kiku.
I feel like.
He's also cool.
Spider-Man.
Oh, he's also cool. Wow. 멋있다.
ピーター・パーカー。私はピーター・パークだ。
Ooh, this is so nice.
What's your new thing?
I like touching pillows.
Which one is this one?
Fluffy.
Is it ergonomical?
It's not ergonomical, but you know, it works.
Is this one ergonomical?
Yes.
How do you know?
No, it's not. It has no.
慌てて言うけどなんでそんなことを言うんだよ崩れそうなのは君なのに
Bye bye, IKEA! Bye!
またね。ありがとうございます。